Okay guys, so we're gonna try to fix today our analogs before taking big steps like changing your controller or opening it up to clean it up. So first step, you're gonna maintain your two analogs, push it for about 30 seconds.
A few moments later.
Alright, after that, what you're going to do is you have to spin it around for 5 times clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and counterclockwise as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. So after that, you're gonna pull each analog towards you. You're gonna bend it on your right a little bit. You're gonna have access to a little hole, really tiny hole. You're gonna blow it with your mouth, or you can, if you have a air compressed can, you can use it as well, but normally with your mouth it's enough. So let's blow it up. All right, that's for the first one. You can do that on each side, obviously. Let's do it again. All right, and for the other analog as well. Each side too. So what we're going to do is maintain again, push the analogs button
A few moments later.
for 15 seconds, sorry. So after this 15 seconds, we're gonna spin it around clockwise once again 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and counterclockwise as well 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after those steps, if it doesn't work, obviously you gotta take the big steps, which is changing your controller or open it up to clean it up a bit. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. You'll know what to do. Hopefully it helped you a lot. Thank you, guys. Take care.
Yo, this is your boy Lord Inga. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. You can drop a massive like. You can support me through many platforms now. I'ma drop every link down below on the description. Don't forget our motto, trust the process. Let's go!